channel. I am Prakriti. How are you all? I hope you guys are doing absolutely fine. So today's video is all about the Nykaa haul, and I am anticipating this video for a so long time now. I can't even tell you. This is not for you guys but for me, because I have been shopping from Myntra for some time now, and I was just stuffing up things so that I can open it in front of you guys, in front of camera, and unbox them all, because that looks something really fancy and I really wanted to do a Nykaa haul. Like, this video can be divided into 2 to 3 parts based on the budget of the products I bought. So I have this many boxes to show you right now. So I have this many boxes to show you and open here in this video. So basically the thing is, few are there which I got from the Lux part that are like a little expensive, and few, the one box right here, are all under ₹1,000. So these are the criteria I have for this video. So without any further delay, we will quickly jump into the video. Before that, if you are coming here for the first time, then hi, I'm Prakriti. Please do consider subscribing to my channel to see more such beauty contents here on my channel. So without any further delay, now let's quickly jump into the video. Okay, so first thing first, I'll be going with the lesser price things from Nykaa, and it will eventually go to the higher prices, like low to high. Okay, so I'll be starting from the one which are not Lux product, and eventually I will get into the Lux one and the higher priced one. So opening first box. So the first thing we have, I have to see with you guys, because it's a real time opening apparently. And okay, so these are the two colors I got. From where I got them? Nykaa. Okay. So from the first box, I have these two beautiful shade of nail polish right here. Yeah, so one is like a beautiful lilac to purple color, and the other is a green color. Also, I'm wearing green nail polish right now. So this is the first thing that I got from Nykaa. Okay, so my whole POV of getting this Nykaa stuffs, because I'm making content right there. I'm starting back again all the stuffs right there. So I need my hands should look very beautiful. So I need nail paints for that until I'm going into like acrylics. Till then, I am painting all by myself, and I love filing them. I feel like so relaxed and how satisfying. Even if YouTube wasn't there, something my nails I am super proud of. So I really love spending on nail polish. So this is the first thing I got. So moving to the big baby right here, and I'm so excited for this. Let's open it now. Okay, मैंने बहुत ही ज़्यादा गंदे तरीके से इसको फाड़ा है, but nevertheless, products I will be showing for differential sunblock. So I'm going the first one. What I have is, oh, so cute. So I'm having the inside blusher, I'm having the Nykaa eyeshadow palette, and I'm having an inside concealer. So this is how, okay, we'll be seeing the product shots. So basically I have a beautiful eyeshadow palette from Nykaa, and this called all the nudes, and it got pinks and goldens. That is so great for building up a total eye color eyeshadow look there then, and it's pretty good and so handy. छोटू सा problem friendly हो जाता है. And then I got this inside का blusher. Let me show it to you guys how it looks like. Wow, and it did fall. Wow, so this is the inside blush. Okay, the every prices of them you will be seeing on the screen itself, because I don't remember, and it's very hot that I will tell you right here, because I'm smelling like anything. So yeah, I got this one in the shade called Dusty Rose 03. It's the inside blush, and yeah, that's pretty much of it. It's a blusher I got, and I just love this color. It's very beautiful. Okay, basically I got this. Nice. I'll be showing all this boxes stuff in my next video, in some other videos, because I got all this under ₹1,000 thing for a makeup video then. So all the insight and how the products are, you will be seeing on my next video. It's like I bought all under ₹1,000 makeup from Nykaa. Okay, so moving to the next things that I have got, and so many things, I love it. So let me show you first. So the first thing first, I got a Biodica primer. Okay, I love it. I got it in the shade. It calls that the Magicare All Day Foundation for all skin types. Apparently, I can't see any shade right here. If I find, I'll be linking it down, or you'll be seeing it on the screen itself. So it cost me around 140. I mean, it's great. So this is the first thing I got. It's Biotech Natural Makeup and it's their foundation. So this is the first thing. The next one I have is a primer. Okay, this is the inside primer. I heard a lot about it. This primer works really well and I wanted to check it. So I'll be testing it in the next video. As I'm saying, all the reviews you want to see like in the next video. I'm so excited for that one, and I'll be creating a bit of a makeup look with all the under 1,000 products. Next I have this Blue Heaven Ka long lasting makeup fixer. So this is the next one, and I got the makeup fixer and it's called the Dewy Glow Look Silk Matte Effect 5-second quick dry. So I'm hoping for the best that it turns out really well. Okay, so moving to the next one from this box itself, I have a quite heavy stuff. What is this? Eventually, I have the L'Oreal Paris Vitamin C 25 SPF. It got the inflammable. When I purchased 32-hour fresh wear foundation. So this is a L'Oreal foundation that I got next, and this foundation I got it in the shade 140 Cool, and I hope it matches me well. You know, I really don't know how much I'm worried about the shade match because it's light, but contouring up all right there, full face makeup on, this will look good because you can, this lighter foundation, I have to check. I'm keeping it for the next video. So moving to the next one, and this is the last one of this baby, right, this carton right here. So the last one I have is, oh, there's lots of stuff going on right here. So this is the stuff I got. I have to show you one by one. Okay, so here a lot of things going on from the brand called Biotech, and the first one I have is the registered liner. Okay, so this is basically an eyeliner, and this is, I'm sure, for under ₹1,000. Yeah, it states 120 here. I'm sure that it will be much cheaper than the actual MRP. So yeah, this is the first one I got, their liner from the Biotech Natural Makeup. Moving to the next two items, again I got from, you know, the Biotech again. So these are their lipsticks. These are the two lipsticks I got. Let me show you. I want to swatch, but let me show you just the color, how it looks like. Oh, the packaging is so beautiful. I like it. So this is how the packaging look like. So I got it in the shade called Cookie Crumble, and it looks something like this. I love the color. It's pretty much out there. I am really tempted to show you. The smell is not so good, but this is how the color look like. It's very much pink. Mauve pink, no. It's pink right there. It's looking pink on the camera, but indeed it's like a mauvish pinkish color. So this is the first one. Its name is Cookie Crumble. And next I have in the same packaging and the same formula range rather there going on. So this one in the shade called Bond Girl. So same packaging going on. It's very beautiful, the pink color. I do not have anything outer packaging going on this crazy right here. So I really love this. So okay, this is how it looks like. Okay, let me show you how it looks. It's again a shade of pink. It's much more darker than this one, and it's called Bond Girl. And I have to see how it looks on my lips after all too, and you have to stay tuned for that. So moving to the last one of the is this one. This is again from Blue Heaven. It's called the all-in-one makeup stick. So what does it do actually? It got the foundation, concealer, contour and color correct all in one, and then for all skin type. So this is how it looks like. All in one, all skin type. I am quite doubtful if I have, you know, picked the right shade, but I think I'll be using for what, if it's darker, I'll be doing for the contour thing, and if it's light, I'll be going with the foundation. I won't think that it will do. Okay, these are the shade it got. It got the vanilla, it's got the cream, honey, caramel, toffee and chocolate as well. Okay, so I got it in the shade Honey Medium, so I have to see how it looks after all. Pretty much of what I got from this parcel. Moving to the next one, and these are the Lux one. So this part is finished, so I'm excited to try this. Their SPF 50 wala sunscreen as well, going right here, and moving to this Lux parcel right here. So these are the two things I got. I'm sure that I didn't purchase this. These are just the try-on things. And what I purchased. Are you kidding me? This nail polish is in Lux section. Which OPI? This Iptusa nail polish I got in this Lux wala dibba. What I brought is this nail polish. Okay, I didn't know about the brand that much, definitely. It is considered a Lux product. Okay, I will be keeping that in mind, but so I got this one from the Lux. Moving to the next one and the last one, and I am so excited for this because I know what's in there, and I am really waiting for. I wait for a long time now to open this. So. I'm so excited. Okay, so I ordered the powder case liquid lipstick from MAC, and the shade is again another exciting thing. So let me show you. So I got the More the Meher one. Now Meher is a cult favorite from MAC. Everyone know by now. Those who are like true users of MAC and those who are using right there know how beautiful the color is. So the thing is, I never ended up liking MAC Meher that much because maybe the formulation. Yeah, the formulation is something I don't really like, but I got it in the liquid range there, PKLC, that is a powder case liquid lip color, sorry, PKLL. And this is how the packaging look like. So premium, so out there. You can see the color right here. Okay, and this is the range, this is the name, More the Meher. So this is the, oh my god, this looks so premium. Also, I have this one's from Prem, I'm leaving it aside. But yeah, this is so good, sis. This is so good. The color is so beautiful. I can't wait. I'm giving you a swatch right here, right now, because come on, who waits? Okay. What is this? This is so beautiful. Oh my god. How beautiful the color is. This is such a mauve pink color. I'm so excited to try this. I can't wait. I have heard a lot about the formulation, a lot about the, how good your lips feel after wearing them because the formulation is out there, top notch. So I'm really, really excited to try this. So these two are the last things. Choke cream is something that I got again as a free gift. So yeah, this is the one I purchased. I absolutely love this. It's just going inside. I'll be protecting this baby at all costs. I just love it. How premium, how premium, how premium is it? So yeah, that's it. I think these were the last two things from the last. And all right, here are going inside this box. So these are all the things that I purchased this time from Nykaa. And okay, so I think that was pretty much of all the unboxing from Nykaa I did today on this channel, and I can't wait to try them all and give you the review of every product that I got right here. Stay tuned to see how the product goes and how I use it for my future videos, and I'm really excited how I have planned for everything right there. So that's it for this video. I hope you liked it. If you did, don't forget to give it a huge fat thumbs up. I will see you guys super soon in my next video. Till then, I love you all so very much. Bye.